number 1 for takeoff.
Tower, this is Airbus A320. We would like to hold our position here for a few minutes.
Roger, A320, that's approved.
Welcome to Airbus training and to the Airbus family.
The aircraft you see here look like the aircraft you might be flying now. This family is a combination of experience acquired from aircraft like the ones you know and the exciting results of modern technology.
The result is high performance and greater safety. However, these are not just old planes with new technology simply added on. They are aircraft which have integrated new technology into their design, and that's what's new. Before, you had to know each part of the aircraft. You had to learn how they were all connected before you could understand it. Today, this is no longer necessary because the systems and the information required to operate them are displayed to us when we need them. There are many things that you already know which apply to these new aircraft. For example, airmanship and crew resource management. Airmanship is everything that you've learned since the beginning of your flying career. Crew resource management includes situational awareness, discipline, and crew coordination, in which pilots help each other and back each other up. Another way of saying this is what's important in this aircraft are the basics, which you already know. What are different are the tools that you'll be using to make your job easier. You'll learn to use each new tool and the principles associated with it. The result will be you will fly with more efficiency, more precision, more ease, and especially with greater safety. Now, let's have a look at some of the things that pilots have always wanted in the aircraft they fly.
First, and most important to the pilot, is the way the aircraft flies. In these aircraft, you have great handling characteristics, using a convenient side stick.
And there's good visibility of the flight instruments. Not to mention convenient workspace. And here's another thing that pilots have always wished for: low speed protection, especially against stall. For example, in this configuration with engines at idle and the side stick fully pulled back, you're sure to stall with a conventional aircraft. But with these aircraft, control is maintained and the stalling angle of attack is never reached. These protections are great. They help you keep in control, but they are not and were never meant to substitute for airmanship. In case of failure on some dark, stormy night, you don't need to look for your checklist or ask yourself what you should do. The ECAM will tell you how things are and what should be done.
And here's another wish come true. Look at the simple beauty of the overhead panel. Systems, their logic, switches and indicators are conveniently displayed and easily monitored.
If I stop this pump, I can immediately see the consequence on the ECAM.
Watch the indication as I switch the pump back on.
I know instantly what the fuel is at my destination, and I'll turn it.
In the top right-hand corner, I can see I will have 7.5 tons at destination and 7 tons at my alternate. All the important